Just talk you through a campsite. Firstly, how beautiful and green is this? So I've had quite a bit of rain over the last few months up here in Ras Al Khaimah. Let's see how green the trees are. You see a carpet of grass kind of everywhere, particularly like in thicker patches where the water's run down from the high cliffs. This is my tent. Nice, like a fly net tent, nice and breezy. This is Richard's new Pajero and his blackout tent. It's my toothbrush and toothpaste. This is Chris's Land Cruiser and his Coleman Insta tent. It's a lovely tree there, look at that. This is the breakfast campsite. Richard and Chris, talking serial killers of all things. Good morning, Mr. House.
Good morning.
Our
it's a scruffy fire.
Campfire from yesterday. Those rags are not toilet rags, by the way. Hand wiping. And then, well, the piece de la resistance, so to speak. How beautiful that is. Just green, 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 thick vegetation. And this is the Wadi after some rain. Lots of grass seeds, plant seeds just lying dormant under the surface. Look at that on the other side of the Wadi. You can see there little patches of green. And then embedded in the grass, lots of little wild meadow flowers. Let's have a little closer look here maybe. So I'm just going to step into this particularly dense area of green. Try not to trip up. You can see here, so all of the grass is well, I don't know what type of grass it is exactly, but it's like a simple sort of grass. And you've got these beautiful little flowers everywhere. Well, it's kind of samey, similar. What's nice is, what's different about the Wadi this visit is the smell. It actually smells chlorophyll-y, if that's a word, or you can smell the green. And if you can see that, some little butterflies fluttering. So yeah, what a beautiful visit. It's about 8 in the morning. There's like 100% cloud cover at the minute. It's not very thick, but we are kind of protected from the sunrise a little bit by this mountain range in front. Or mountain range, this little headland. Yeah, and that's nice. Look there, just that bit. If I zoom in on that, it looks like the grass is almost like contoured, tattooed onto the visible contours of the rock. And straight across there, like a forest, you see the different shades of green. Wow. Beautiful. Very, very nice morning to be here. You can hear the doves. And last night when we were sitting by the campfire, crickets chirping, frogs maybe as well, just non-stop, that kind of noise of nocturnal activity. So, green and pleasant land. Ras Al Khaimah.